What if your organization looks fully compliant on paper, but the actual system is not working? Employees may be unclear about their responsibilities. Important records may be missing. Controls may exist, but nobody may be checking whether they are effective. And these weaknesses often remain hidden until a regulator, customer, or external auditor discovers them. That is exactly why internal audits matter. Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. In today's video, we will understand how to conduct an ISO 37301 internal audit, step by step, in a simple and practical way. So let's begin. Step 1. Plan the audit. Every successful audit begins with a clear plan. First, define the audit objective. Are you auditing the complete compliance management system, a particular department, or a specific risk area, such as bribery, data protection, procurement, or supplier management? Next, define the audit scope. This includes the locations, departments, processes, and activities that will be checked. You must also define the audit criteria, such as ISO 37301 requirements, applicable laws and regulations, internal policies and procedures, contractual requirements. Finally, select competent and independent auditors and prepare the audit schedule. Good planning keeps the audit focused and avoids last-minute confusion. Now we have step 2. Review documents before speaking with employees. Now we have step 2. Review documents. Before speaking with employees, auditors should understand how the system is designed. They may review compliance policies, compliance obligation registers, risk assessments, training records, incident reports, monitoring reports, previous audit findings, corrective action records. This review helps auditors identify areas that may need deeper investigation. But remember, having a document does not prove that the process is working. The auditor must verify whether employees actually follow it. Then we have step 3. Conduct the opening meeting. The opening meeting officially starts the audit. During this meeting, the auditor explains the audit objective, scope and criteria, audit schedule, methods to be used, records and employees required. The audit team should also make one thing clear. The audit is not a fault-finding exercise. It is an improvement exercise. When employees understand this, they are more likely to cooperate and communicate openly. Now conduct the audit. Now the actual audit begins. Auditors generally use 3 main methods: interviews, record reviews, and workplace observations. A simple audit formula is ask what they do, check the evidence, and observe what actually happens. For example, if an employee says they completed compliance training, the auditor should check the training record and confirm whether the employee understands the topic. Do not depend on only one source of evidence. Compare answers, records, and actual practices. Step 5. Identify audit findings. After collecting sufficient evidence, the auditor evaluates the results. Findings may include non-conformity, observation, opportunity for improvement. Findings should always be factual, specific, and easy to understand. Now step 6. Conduct the closing meeting. At the end of the audit, the auditor conducts a closing meeting with management and relevant process owners. During this meeting, the audit team presents the findings, explains the evidence, and answers questions. The auditee should also be allowed to provide additional information or clarification. Responsibilities and timelines for corrective action should be discussed. A well-managed audit should not create major surprises in the closing meeting. Serious concerns should already have been communicated during the audit. Now we have step 7. Prepare the audit report. After the closing meeting, the auditor prepares the final audit report. The report should include audit objective, audit scope, audit criteria, audit team, areas reviewed, evidence examined, audit findings, overall conclusion. The report should be clear, professional, and free from personal opinions. Management should be able to read it and immediately understand what is working, what is not working, and what action is required. Now step 8. Take corrective action. Once a non-conformity is reported, the responsible department must take corrective action. But corrective action is not just about fixing the immediate problem. The organization must identify the root cause. For example, if training records are missing, the real cause may be unclear responsibility, poor monitoring, weak document control, and an ineffective training process. After identifying the root cause, the organization should prepare an action plan, make the required changes, and prevent the issue from happening again. Now, step 9. Follow up and verify effectiveness. The audit does not end when the report is issued. The auditor must follow up and check whether corrective actions have been completed and whether they are actually effective. For example, if new training was conducted, checking only the attendance sheet is not enough. The auditor should also verify whether employees now understand and follow the required process. If the root cause has been removed, the finding can be closed. And if the issue still exists, further action is required. An ISO 37301 internal audit is one of the most powerful tools for improving a compliance management system. It helps organizations identify hidden weaknesses, strengthen controls, improve employee awareness, reduce legal and reputational risk, build a stronger compliance culture. So do not only ask, do we have a compliance management system? Ask the more important question, does our compliance management system really work? Now, thank you for watching TNV Academy. Like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more practical videos on ISO standards, auditing, certification, and management systems. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next video.